The sun had just begun to set over the bustling city of Lahore, casting a warm orange glow over the Madal town Lahore, where the Nambardar convention was being held. The air was electric with excitement as delegates from all over Pakistan gathered to discuss pressing issues, share experiences, and celebrate their community's achievements. As the doors opened, a sea of faces poured in, all eager to be a part of this momentous occasion. And then, suddenly, a hush fell over the crowd as two esteemed guests arrived. Nambardar Chowdhury Nazakat Ali Gal, General Secretary of Nambardar Association Punjab Registered, and Nambardar Raja Azmat Ali Kiani, Central President of All Pakistan Nambardar Association Registered, had arrived, and the Nambardar community was ready to give them a warm welcome. The delegates gathered around, showering the two leaders with rose petals and traditional garlands, symbolizing respect and admiration for their leadership and contributions to the community. The atmosphere was filled with the sweet scent of flowers and the sound of warm applause as the two guests made their way to the stage.
Goria Nambardar Raja Sarfraz Kiani, beaming with pride, stepped forward to greet them. "Welcome, our esteemed guests," he exclaimed, his voice booming through the microphone. "We are honored to have you with us today. Your leadership and guidance have been instrumental in shaping our community, and we are forever grateful." As the crowd erupted into applause once more, Nambardar Chowdhury Nazakat Ali Gal and Nambardar Raja Azmat Ali Kiani took their seats, visibly moved by the warm welcome.
And with that, the Nambardar convention in Lahore was officially underway, ready to tackle the challenges and opportunities that lay ahead.